Alright, so let's go ahead here and let's just comment this out. So notice I've selected it. I'm just going to go Control and backslash. I don't like deleting code like that just because of the fact that it tends to kind of illustrate an important underlying concept, and that way you can go back and at least reference it, uncomment it, play with it, see how it works. So let's go ahead and let's really get this thing to work. So our goal here was to return a result of mapped array of objects, where each object has a name parameter which is set to one of these names in this array of strings. Let's do that. So I'm going to do const. I'm going to call my function mapped names, and I am going to go ahead and use an arrow function for my argument, just like this. So you'll notice above there's a couple differences here when I pass this function as opposed to one of the ES5 functions up here. So this right here with the keyword function, that's an ES5 function. With ES6 syntax, rather than using that keyword, which kind of, I've seen this a lot, tends to lend itself to accidental misspellings, typos, things of that sort. In ES6, all you gotta do is this arrow symbol. So to pass our function into our call to map using ES6 syntax, we just put argument, the key symbol of the arrow, and then since we're going to be doing some manipulation inside the arrow function here, we are going to end up using some curlies. We'll see later that arrow functions are pretty flexible and you actually don't have to use a lot of syntax, but for this case, we'll go ahead with it. So let's again do let rockstar equal name, and then return rockstar. Okay, so let's go ahead and console.log mapped names. So once we got that good to go, let's go ahead and take a moment, pull up our terminal, and run node main.js. And there we go.